Have you ever felt a sudden sharp pain in your chest? Or maybe dizziness that leaves you wondering if something's seriously wrong with your heart? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world face these terrifying moments, often caused by blood clots or clogged arteries. And the scariest part? They can strike without warning. But what if I told you that the key to avoiding these health risks might be sitting right in your kitchen, in the form of fruit? Yes, you heard me right. Certain fruits have the power to melt blood clots and help cleanse your arteries. Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 7 fruits that could change your heart health for the better. Before we dive in, though, if you're enjoying this information, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more helpful health tips. Like this one, let us know where are you from also. Let's get into it. First up on our list is the mighty pomegranate. This little fruit is packed with antioxidants, especially something called polyphenols, which are incredibly beneficial for heart health. Pomegranates help improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and even lower blood pressure. All of this contributes to healthier, cleaner arteries. But here's the real kicker. Studies have shown that pomegranates can actually reduce the formation of blood clots by thinning your blood slightly, making it less likely for clots to form. Imagine being able to protect your heart simply by enjoying a delicious fruit that's easy to add to your diet. A glass of fresh pomegranate juice every day could be just what your body needs to keep blood clots at bay. 2. Grapes, the artery-cleansing superfood. Next, we have grapes. Yes, those little clusters of goodness are not just for snacking. Grapes are packed with resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant known for its ability to promote healthy blood vessels. Resveratrol helps prevent the buildup of plaque in your arteries, which is a major cause of heart disease. But that's not all. Research suggests that grapes may also help reduce inflammation in your blood vessels, making them more flexible and less likely to develop clots. Not bad for something that comes in such a small package, right? Plus, they taste amazing. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for some grapes. Your arteries and your taste buds will thank you. 3. Blueberries, the tiny superstars of heart health. Who doesn't love blueberries? These little berries aren't just packed with flavor, they're also jam-packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Blueberries have been shown to lower blood pressure and improve blood vessel function, both of which are crucial in keeping your arteries clean and healthy. But here's the part that's going to blow your mind. Blueberries can actually help prevent the blood clotting process by improving circulation and supporting blood vessel health. They contain anthocyanins, a compound that helps reduce the risk of clots forming in the first place. The next time you're making your morning smoothie or adding toppings to your breakfast, don't forget to toss in a handful of these little heart protectors. 4. Oranges, the vitamin C powerhouse oranges. They're juicy, refreshing, and packed with vitamin C, something your body needs for proper immune function and overall health. But did you know that vitamin C is also vital for heart health? It helps strengthen blood vessel walls and boosts circulation, both of which play a role in keeping your arteries clear. But the real magic comes from the flavonoids in oranges, which have been shown to reduce the risk of clots and lower cholesterol levels. So, whether you're squeezing some fresh juice or just peeling one for a snack, your heart will thank you for it. And don't forget, if you're finding this content useful, give us a like and subscribe for more heart-healthy tips. 5. Apples, the everyday heart health hero. It's an old saying, but it holds truth. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are rich in fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which helps lower your cholesterol levels and prevents fat from sticking to the walls of your arteries. The antioxidants in apples also help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which is a major factor in the formation of clots. But here's something you might not know. Apples contain a compound called quercetin, which has been shown to help reduce the clotting process and improve blood circulation. Eating an apple every day is an easy way to give your heart the care it deserves. 6. Strawberries, sweet and effective in preventing clots. Let's talk about strawberries. Who doesn't love their sweet, juicy taste? These bright red berries aren't just a treat for your taste buds. They're also full of heart-healthy nutrients. Strawberries contain antioxidants called anthocyanins, which improve blood flow and reduce the risk of blood clots. In fact, studies have shown that strawberries can help reduce platelet aggregation, which is when blood platelets stick together and form clots. So by adding strawberries to your daily routine, you're not only satisfying your sweet tooth but also giving your arteries a helping hand. 7. Kiwi, the secret weapon against clogged arteries. Finally, we have the kiwi, small but mighty when it comes to heart health. Kiwi is packed with vitamins C and E, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels and preventing the buildup of plaque in your arteries. But what makes kiwi truly special is its ability to reduce blood clotting by making your blood flow more freely. Kiwi has been shown to reduce the stickiness of blood platelets, which is a major factor in clot formation. By including kiwi in your diet, you're giving your heart the support it needs to stay strong and healthy. There you have it. 7 powerful fruits that can help melt blood clots, cleanse your arteries, and improve your overall heart health. By making these fruits a regular part of your diet, you can take a big step toward reducing your risk of heart disease and improving your cardiovascular health. Remember, the next time you're looking for a snack or adding fruit to your meals, think about these 7 heart-healthy fruits. Whether you enjoy them on their own, in smoothies, or as part of a meal, your heart will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We've got more health tips coming your way soon. Stay tuned.